Hi, everybody. This is Mr. Crandall. This one's going to be super short because I just want to explain how to do it and give you guys a beginning so that you can write your own journal. This is a journal page. What you do is you pick which one of these topics at the bottom you would like to write about. For example, flowers, butterflies, frogs, birds, or bees, and then you write about it. Now, it's important to remember when you write this, you have to stay on topic. That means if you choose to write about frogs, you can't suddenly start writing about the sun, not the sun, about penguins. And you can't suddenly start writing about your Nintendo. Gotta focus on the topic. So pick one that you like. If you don't like butterflies, you don't have to write about them, but you gotta pick one. So I'm gonna write about frogs, but I'm only gonna give you the first sentence. Please note this is how this works. I'm going to circle the parts and number them as you go. First, you pick number one, pick a topic. You can choose whichever one you want. Two, write about that topic. La 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 la. And fill the lines. This is your journal. You can write what you want, but stay on topic. Talk about frogs if you choose frogs. Talk about bees if you choose bees. Talk about flowers if you choose flowers. In fact, I'm going to give you a topic sentence you can use to start your writing right here. Once upon a time, a friendly frog lived on on an icy mountain. Now I need to fix this box so it fits. And I also need to space this over because it's got to be indented. Once upon a time, a friendly frog lived on an icy mountain. He heard that a mean dragon. Oh, no, let's see. One day, a mean dragon moved in next door to the frog. There. And then you can tell me what happens next in the story. You don't have to do right what I wrote right there, but that's just one way to do it. Let's see if I can move these numbers real quick. Well, anyway, that's part two. Then when you're all done filling all of this space right here, all of it, guys, no going halfway, fill the whole thing. When you're done with that, then you go up here and you read these to see if you stayed on topic. You give it a check. If you did, you got to reread your story. Use complete sentences, use proper punctuation. My spelling is correct. So, for example, let's go with this. Mr. Crandall, did he stay on topic with these first two sentences? Let's see, he talked about frogs, and then a mean dragon moved next to the door with the frog. Yep, there's a frog right there. We stayed on topic. Did I use complete sentences? Did I just say fish? Or, see, that's not a complete sentence. What about fall? Down. Fall. That's not a complete sentence either. So, yes, I use complete sentences. Did I use proper punctuation? Let's see, I used a comma. I used a comma here. Actually, that second comma I might not need. I kind of like it. Did I use proper? Yes. Is my spelling correct? Let's see. I spelled friendly right. I spelled dragon right. I spelled mountain right. Yep. Spelling is correct. Use descriptive language. Let's see. I used icy, friendly, and mean. Those are descriptive words. And I reread my writing to check for mistakes. That's what I'll do right now. Once upon a time, a friendly frog lived on an icy mountain. One day, a mean dragon moved in next door to the frog. Yep, I reread it. And then normally you would keep going all the way down. So that was section 3. Then when you're all done and you go to section 4 and you draw a picture of your journal article. So here's my icy mountain with the ice shimmering. Let it go, sings the little frog. He's a little frog on the mountain. And then just next to him on the mountain, a dragon moves in. Mr. Crandall doesn't know how to draw a dragon, so he's going to just draw a monster with big legs and big teeth. A dragon moves in, and he's mean. And then you can color the sky, not red. Color the sky. Have the frog right here in his house. Have the dragon in this house. Anyway, so that's what you do. And of course, always try your best and have fun. This is just practicing your writing. In fact, what I would advise is that you write this after you choose your topic, number one, and you write this whole thing right here. Then you ask a family member to read it. When we have other people read our work, they can help us answer these questions. All right, friends, this was day 4, this was day 3, page 4, week 1 of our packet. Stay frosty, my friends, stay frosty.